Sometimes when you're working in Fusion, it can be helpful to change the way you display this to make designing a little easier. First, I wanted to isolate this component. When I find it in the browser, I can activate it, which will take on the properties that you want, where maybe you're setting everything to be transparent. I right click on this component and come down and find isolate. That will let you just see this particular component. And now I want to make designing a little bit easier. Sometimes finding an edge when it's small can be difficult for sweeps, lofts, whatever feature you might need. And that's where coming down to your display settings gives you a little more control. Visual style, and then shaded is great for more of an aesthetic look. Shaded with hidden edges, it's going to add more information. You can see all of these hidden edges behind it. And this can get a little overwhelming, of course, when you have a lot going on in your component. And then this one is a little bit more simplified, shaded with visible edges. So it's only going to show you the edges, but they are more pronounced. The ones that are hidden or behind these faces are not showing. One thing I found that sometimes being able to switch into wireframe can be especially helpful, where I want to zoom in and understand these edges. In this example, if we go to wireframe, I can get a closer look at this interior slot. And that was kind of hard to see with our existing geometry. It makes it much easier to find this back edge or this interior edge. If I were to click and hold, it's going to let me select from the existing options behind that click. So I can hit that face or that interior edge that I was maybe hoping to select and add a feature to. Going to the next wireframe options, we also can show those hidden edges, which will show any of these extra edges that we can't see from this view. And to understand this, you can see this solid edge. This is in view. If I were to rotate this, this becomes a dashed line because it's now a hidden line because it's just out of view. We can't see it through this existing face in front of us. And this is going to simplify a little bit with the visible edges only. It's wireframe. So it gives you some options here on what you'd like to expose. When you have slightly more complex shapes and parts, if you go to that wireframe visible edges only, it will simplify it for you. It does simplify it, but there's less visible and less to select from. Hey, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.